How the hell did they manage to make a sexier video than the original?
You're gonna need to get out a leash and a muzzle.
So far, so good.
I love me some feral love. Not this girl. If you're gonna drink bourbon by the fistfuls, the only way. Hi guys, this is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike. And quite a long time ago now, somebody suggested a band called the Innocence Mission to us, a song Bright as Yellow. And
Gotta tell you guys, that's one of Mike's favorite songs on his playlist.
yeah, well, I've got a separate playlist, a Sunday morning playlist full of just all kinds of smooth, mellow, relaxing stuff. And that was actually the starting point for that list.
Yep.
I really like that song. And we have not gone back and revisited the Innocence Mission since.
No, couldn't even tell you why.
Seems to be a bit of a travesty given how much I enjoy the one
It's
song
true.
I know by them.
It's true.
So decided to find something else today.
We're gonna check out the wonder of birds.
I hear
Like my toucans.
I hear birds aren't real, but that's just the internet.
Oh, my toucans are definitely real. Actually, no, they're not.
Oh, a nice minor chord there.
She's such a great voice.
That was sweet.
It was sweet. It
Yeah.
had a very 80s feel.
The sound and the vibe had me totally thinking 10,000 Maniacs.
Yes, I agree. It was very similar in style to that
Yeah,
for
like
sure.
30 years earlier, that would have been Natalie Merchant singing that one.
Yeah,
for
it
sure.
was so good though.
Yeah.
She has such a unique and interesting voice. It really is the thing that sells me on their stuff, for sure.
Yeah.
Because it was good, but that was the biggest bumblebee I've ever seen, guys.
They're growing big down here.
Oh. Anyway, I don't really remember what I was talking about, but I'm sure it was very complimentary.
I'm sure it was, because that was good.
It was good.
And a
So,
fun video, too. There was like cool wings. It's like, no, don't jump out that window.
no, this would definitely lead to a hospital visit for me. But it would still be something that I would do. Without a doubt.
The wonder of gingers.
They're kind of like birds.
Yeah.
Very colorful, flashy birds.
Yeah.
Hopefully you all enjoyed that too. I know you're going to want to say play it again. Or does it get stuck in your...
Ginger's got the practical question. I'll hold your upper part still while you shake, baby. Help you learn.
A coconut just fell right behind us. You good, bro.
And we go doot